Hello everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of Skmei 1816 model watch. In last video we have learned the easiest way to set time and date in this very watch, but many of you were commenting regarding the alignment of hour and minute hands to digital time. As you see here, the same problem I am facing here. In digital time it's 9:22, but in analog it's different. So we will learn the easiest way to align hour and minute hands to the digital time. So if you are new in this channel, do subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, please consider liking it. So let's start the video. Now the very first step is to align the chronograph indicating towards days of a week towards Sunday. It should perfectly show towards Sunday. As you see here, it is somewhere showing towards Monday and Tuesday. So let's arrange this first. To do that, we have to press left side top button for a while. It will beep sound for twice. Let's listen. One and two. Now you see here automatically it moves towards Monday, but it should be towards Sunday. So let's arrange it. To do that, you have to press right side down button one by one. If you press for a while, it will go automatically faster and it would be very hard for it to stop exactly towards Sunday. Okay, let's do it one by one. So now as you see here, I have perfectly aligned these chronograph towards Sunday. Once you do this, you have to press left side down button. Then we will align hour and minute hands. Like this. It will move automatically. Let's stop because it is almost towards 11. If you press right side down button again, it will again move it. What you have to do is here, you have to perfectly align towards this 12 o'clock. The minute and our hand should exactly point towards 12. Let's do it. You have to press again right side down button to move the hands. If you press for a while, it will go faster, and if you want to stop, you have to press again right side down button. Let's do it one by one, otherwise it may exceed 12. You can see here it is very closer. Let's press one by one. Okay, once you perfectly align this towards 12 o'clock, you have to press left side top button. Okay, as you see here, it is perfectly 11:17. If you want to set time according to your city and country, then you have to press left side top button for a while. It will beep once. Then after, if you press right side down button, it will change your capital city. Right now it's what? Bangkok. Let's change it to your preferences according to your location. This means, I guess, Hong Kong. Once you select your capital city, then press left side down button. You can go for another function. Let's keep this as it is. Then again press left side down button. You can change the hour format 12 hour by pressing right side down button 24 hour. If you do the same, it will again come to 12 hour. Then again, to move towards another function, let's press it left side down button. Now here you came to adjust the time. It's 1:18, something like that. If you press left side down button again, you can adjust hour as I have said by pressing right side down button. If you want to adjust minute, you have to press left side down button. Then you can adjust again the minutes like this. Okay, now let's move toward another function, that is date 2025. Select the month. Okay, then if you press this right side down button, you can adjust the month like this. If you press left side down button and press right side down button again, you can adjust days. Once you adjust these things, again press left side down button. Keep on pressing. Once you do this all, okay, you can like press right left side top button to adjust everything. Now it's fine. You will get your time. Okay, it's now 2:21. 21. It's done. So if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I upload daily watch related tutorial videos. You will find other watch related tutorial videos even in my channel. So please consider subscribing it. It will help me and it will support me to grow more. Thank you very much.